Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unrestrict in Messenger. All right. As you can see here, when you restrict a person, it will remove the conversation from your chats list, so you won't get any message notifications from the person, of course. All right. Another one, they won't see when you've read messages or your active status. The last one here is that they won't be notified that you restricted them. So basically, to unrestrict, just go ahead and go to privacy. Now, to do that, let's say, for example, in here on your Messenger app, just go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Tap on it. In here, you're going to want to tap on the gear icon. All right, tap on the gear icon. And in here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the section Preferences. Under Preferences, go to Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, there are a lot of sections right here. Just go ahead and locate restricted accounts right here. Tap on it. And as you can see, I have people here that I've restricted. All right. Now to unrestrict the person, just tap on a person, tap, and you'll be able to see the recent chats. Just go ahead and hit on continue right here, tap, and in here you can see the big unrestrict button. Tap on it to unrestrict the person. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.